I must admit I was a little nervous investing in GNC because it is a bankrupt company, but sometimes I do gamble. Even though I mainly talk about on the channel is holding quality stocks long term, which I've done for a very long time. But once in a while I do gamble, and I've lost money. I've lost a lot of money on some trades, but overall I've made money. So, but with this GNC stock, it may go down. I'm up 53%, right? But I have it a sell order for $3. So if it hits $3, I'm gonna get out of the position. So, and then if it runs up to $10, I may kick myself, but I'm not psychic and nobody is. So when Corona hit, I sold out of almost all my stocks, except my retirement. I didn't touch anything in my retirement. But I sold out of all my regular stocks, and I got into silver and gold end of March. Silver's great, it's up 27%. So I'm up a pretty good amount of money. And then a month later, I realized I don't think the Fed's gonna let the market crash. It's just not gonna happen. And I keep seeing the S&P and the Dow go up every day. So I'm like, why am I gonna fight it? So I put money into the S&P, into spiders. I like to invest in spiders. And then I did the GNC trade recently. So we'll see what happens. I was thinking if GNC hits $1, I'm gonna sell half my position, so I'll get my money back from what I put in, and then let the rest ride. But who knows? It's changing minute by minute. If Amazon buys them out, then I think I might be in for a nice payday. But that's, fingers crossed. We'll see what happens with that. So let me know in the comments, have you guys made any money on any big bets like this? Like, I know a lot of people made money with Genius. Same thing with Bitcoin. I would never buy Bitcoin. I never have, but people made a lot of money with Bitcoin. Even if something crashes, as long as you sell before the crash, you could make money. You just have to time it right, and that's the hard part. I'm not into that game of timing things generally. I usually buy, and I've held stocks for a decade before, so that's my strategy pretty much when I buy a stock. I usually just hold it for forever, or as long as I can. This time's a little different with coronavirus. That's why I got into the commodities, because I just didn't feel comfortable investing in any of the normal stocks, but we'll see what happens. Maybe tomorrow things change and then I feel more comfortable again, but we'll see. Thanks for watching the video. Talk to you later.